punishment, she will also receive the same. Pero anong hinanap niya? Mercy. E natanggap niya ba ang mercy? Nasa harap niya ang mercy. Anong sabi ni Jesus? Neither do I condemn thee. Go and yun yung justice ng Diyos. Do you have now the same justice? Do you want that kind of justice for you? And if you like that justice for yourself, will you also extend that to your loved ones? How about to those you hate? Then we learn to love our enemies. These are the judgment na dapat gusto niyang itulog because we are going to confess with our own lips our shame. And that's the traits of character. So anong nangyari? Ito na ang final few slides to go. Do you want to be a saint? Do you want to be a saint?
Yes.
You are the patience of the saint. Yeah. So you want?
Yes.
You want to be in heaven?
Yes.
No. If you want to be saint in heaven, you must first be a saint on earth. Because the traits of character you cherish in life will not be changed by death or by resurrection. So ang death and resurrection will not change our character. It will not change what we cherish. Do we cherish mercy? Do we cherish forgiveness? Do you like fruits and vegetables? Do you like farming in the garden?
Yes.
Do you know that we are going to enter a new heaven and new earth?
Yes.
Kaya nyo nang walang karne? Kaya nyo na?
Of course.
Amen. Kaya nyo nang walang toyo.
Of course.
Baka may sa pambili, wala pa lang toyo, wag na lang. Pwede ba yun? And will you also be happy to see your enemies there?
Yes.
We need to learn. That's why we need to learn from the feet of Jesus. We need to learn to love righteousness. Now it said that, no? You will come up from the grave with the same disposition you manifested in your home and in society. Jesus does not change the character at His coming. He will not change you in His coming. The work of transformation must be done when?
Now.
When?
Now.
Here and now. Our daily lives are determining our destiny. Are you now learning from Jesus? Are you now learning to bless those who curse you?
Amen.
Learning to love your enemies. Doing good to them that hate you. Blessing those who persecute you and despitefully use you. Are you learning? And this is what we need. And then, pag nangyari yan sa atin, the great controversy will going to end. Sin and sinners are no more. Wala na. Wala na yun. Singit ko lang yung wicked, yung mga unforgiving, in the last days, they will bow down and beg for death. Why? Kasi walang toyo sa langit. Joke ko lang yan Walang sigarilyo sa langit. Pag hindi mo matanggal yan, ang langit ay impyerno talaga sa mga smoker. Walang beer, walang chicken joy. Pwede pa ba magbibingwit doon? No more pain, no more sorrow. Tapos nahuli. Ano yan? Wala lang. Huli-huli lang. Balik man. Hindi ko mapatayin. Balik mo lang. Mahiya tayo, uy. Tama? So dito pa lang matuto na tayo mabuhay sa langit. No more death. No more killing. No more hatred. Tama ba? But all forgiving and love. Because the character of God is forgiving, justifying. One pulse of harmony and gladness beats through the vast creation. From Him who created all, flow life, light, and gladness throughout the realms of illimitable space. From the minutest atom, sa pinakamaliit na atoma, to the greatest world, sa pinakamalaking mundo. Anong biggest planet sa ating solar system? Jupiter? Gano'ng kaliit yung sun natin sa supernova? Liit-liit ng Jupiter. Ano kaya ang pinakamalaking mundo? Gusto niyo puntahan yun? Huwag na kayong mag-ambisyon yan sa Singapore. Lapit yan. Dito tayo sa malayo. So ito from the mightiest atom to the greatest world, all things, lahat ng bagay, animate and inanimate, in their unshadowed beauty and perfect joy, declare what?
Kasi pinapasaya nila, God is love.
Now, if our brethren, if our families, even if our loved ones will choose to die, how would you feel if Jesus will allow them to die? How? You will have to learn to honor the freedom of choice. And that's how we find God. Lord, thank you for allowing my son to die. Because if you will not allow my son to die, he will live for all in eternity, but miserably. Gusto niyo bang mabuhay ang anak niyo sa buong walang katapusan na miserable? May mga kapatid ba kayong naninigarilyo? Na hindi nila mapigilan?
Yes.
Gusto niyo sa nilang malangit? Gusto, di ba? Pero pagdating sa langit, ate, ayaw ng Diyos, mamatay ako. Araw-araw hindi na ako nakakatulog. Bakit? Walang yosi. Will you wish that for them? Tapos sabi niya, gusto ko nang mamatay talaga. Bakit? Nandiyan pa yung kuya mo. Hindi ko mapatawad-tawad. Will it be torment for them for all eternity? Can they find peace in heaven if they don't learn how to forgive? So forgiveness, who benefits forgiveness?
Us.
The one who forgives. Tama ba? Why? Because he will receive peace. He will receive freedom. Tama ba? So learn to live like Christ. And this is going to this is what will going to happen in the last days. That if our loved ones will choose to die, God will grant them death with gentleness, that they might find peace for all eternity. Rest in peace. This is my prayer for you. I hope that this message will give you the final conclusion that God created man out of love. Do you believe that? And then because we sin, He's going to save us from love, out of love. Agree? But even if He will allow man to die, the wicked man, He will still destroy and, allow them to die in the name of love. Why? Why? What's the common? Because God, and that's His character. May God bless you, and I hope you and I will be prepared to be transcended to heaven, that we may learn how to forgive and love unconditionally like Jesus. Magandang hapon sa inyo.
Amen.
Purihin po natin ang Panginoon sa maghapon sa mga mensahe na ating napakinggan. At bago po tayo tumayo, announce ko lang ang may mga bahagi para sa ating evening devotional. Ang mananalangin po sa atin mamaya ay si Brother Joseph. At ang nagbibigay ng message in song ay si Brother